You look at the heritage or legacy of Blaize in the edge space, right? Being able to provide real-time outcomes of those critical video analytic events, and then moving up market into the data center, either on campus or in the cloud data center, where you're going to be able to have greater scale of density, of the analytic capability, of storage, being able to track and trend those events over time. Think about looking at a town hall or town center, right, where you got all the cameras looking over it. You've got typical Monday, right? Traffic comes and goes, people come and go, and then you have an event on a Saturday and they're setting up tents and they've got trucks coming and going. Well, that might be considered a normal event too, because it was on the schedule. If all of a sudden you see trucks arriving that aren't normally there and you don't understand what's going on, right? You've got that aha moment or that questionable moment of, should we send somebody out from a safety and security perspective? Those trends are really valuable. We were talking about Blaize heritage from the edge and then going to the data center, going to the cloud, and being able to leverage the scale of the edge processors and be able to take advantage of the hybrid architecture that we've been talking about for about the last 6 months, right? We kind of talked about hybrid AI about 6 months ago. And the idea there was to benefit not just from the edge architecture that Blaize has put together, but partnerships that bring the best of edge and data center together and being able to share that workload across different silicon. And it might be our silicon, it may be partnerships with companies like Nvidia or ... future companies that have yet to even come out of stealth mode, right? The architecture being able to take advantage of those capabilities as they come online.
And then I ask that because look, Nvidia, incredible company. Cisco, incredible company, right? But at the same time, there's a lot of other very innovative companies in both of those spaces. It's not an either or. In a lot of cases, it's an and that's exactly what I see here and why I'm excited about the opportunity, because when you start thinking about everything that you just said around the criticality of inference and being able to play in that area very, very effectively and very, very well, that's what we do. That's what Blaize is about. And Nokia saw that as well. Nokia announced a partnership with Nvidia. And there's an opportunity that they're going to go and do some interesting things together. Well, they also just announced an opportunity with us. Why? Because of everything that we just talked about. They see the opportunity to go to market together and be able to go after the use cases where we know we can deliver in a much more effective, in a much more cost-effective manner. And we already have customers that are being attracted to that. In a much more cost-effective manner. So when you take a look at the opportunity with Nokia, they saw the value of us in that space. They saw the value of us going to market together in that space. And I really do think this is a better together story. So they saw how we really lean in and what we deliver in this space of edge computing. And we have an opportunity now to go to market together to bring joint customers to the table to take advantage of the solution that we can both deliver.